chocolate should not be one-dimensional. You want to taste a range of flavors that lasts for 20, 30, a minute long. And that is one distinguishing feature of better quality chocolate. What's going on? Today's tasting is going to be Waimanalo, one of our single origin 70% chocolate bars. And this is coming from a couple small farms, fermented and dried by Ben Field in Kahalu. This tends to be more on the fudgy floral side, less fruit dominant. And a lot of what we notice with Hawaiian cacao is it's, at least on Oahu, tends to be quite fruity. So this one more fudgy and floral, which is something we see oftentimes on the Big Island. Hilo, Kona, Kealakekua, all those are more nutty, creamy, floral, fudgy. And so this has reminiscent traits of that, even though I think it's still very distinguishable. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna smell it. Yeah, I'm smelling floral, vanilla. Also a very balanced chocolate bar from what I've tried in the past. It's been a few months since I've tried this, but floral and fudgy. It's very consistent with what we have on the back. So we have a flavor wheel and we fill in to the best of our ability what it tastes like as an initial finished chocolate around the time we get the packages printed. This is tricky because oftentimes chocolate changes over the coming months. I believe this is very consistent with what we have. This is something that you should try for yourself. All of our single origin chocolates are super fun to taste next to each other just because they're the same recipes. 70% dark chocolate, 30% sugar, and you get a wide array of flavors and it takes you on a journey. Chocolate should not be one-dimensional. You want to taste a range of flavors that lasts for 20, 30, a minute long. And that is one distinguishing feature of better quality chocolate. So this is Waimanalo, definitely worth a try. You can get it on our website or in our store, ManoaChocolate.com or Mānoa Chocolate Factory and Tasting Room in Kailua on the island of Oahu. Come on in, we'll see you there.